everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are ready for today's video. Okay guys, so I have some Born Pretty PR I am so excited to open. It came today. I'm filming today and I'm unboxing and I'm going to do a set as well at the same time. So it looks a bit crusty dusty, but that's because I've got the tips on and ready. Ooh, so this is number one. So this is a gorgeous jelly green and I love the shimmer in there. It's really, really, really beautiful. So that's the first one. This is number two, which is like a fairy blue. Oh, wow. Yeah, these colors are beautiful. Just the addition of some shimmer. It's very chrome. And this is a stunning peach. I would say peach. Even the brushes are different. It's longer. Oh wow. Now I'm so happy I swatched this on a natural tip because we can see how opaque everything really is. Oh, I'm losing it. And now number 7. Yes, this was all the blue and the pinky vibes. So this is number 7. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Now, I have a discount code and so do my nail sisters. So I've top coated and everything. Look how stunning these nails look. They are so, so beautiful. So I have to use them all like on the phalanges. Now I have got peel off base coat on and I am going to be popping these nails off. So I just feel like they need to kind of be ombre, but because the thumb is the thumb, we're just going to get some colour on there, get her in the lamp, and then I'm going to focus on the other 4 fingers. I'm going to kind of start from the cuticle and put some colour down. And I will alternate the places where I put these colours down. Okay, got a bit too happy there. I wanted to just get into that colour so quickly. I'm going to put some down here. I'm going to use a ombre brush and I'm just going to make sure all the colour is on the nail. Now we'll probably do 2 coats only because it can only get beautiful, more beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to go in the lamp. So I thought I would use this Super Shine Cat Eye 1 coat. So I'm just going to use a magnet. And it's just that, it's just adding this shimmer to the nails, which is all I'm looking for. And then I'm going to put it in the lamp. Okay guys, so here are how the nails are looking. Now, yes, these are everywhere and I had to try it. I had to try. So that's literally what I'm going to do on the other nails, and probably as I get on, it's going to look better. So I'm definitely going to speed this up a little bit and just let you watch, because there's no way I cannot talk through this, guys. Please enjoy. Lovely design. So I'm going to cure. Now I'm going to do 2 minutes. So, you know, everything is fully cured, because I have to wipe away any tacky layers before we get into the next bit. Okay, so now I am filling in with some infamous dots in white. And I think that's what finally just, you know, brings out the design. I don't know if there's a rule to the dots, but I am putting them where I think they would kind of look cool. Again, guys, a massive thank you for watching. Now, I don't know if you can really see, but some of them are slightly raised. Oh, look at that. Now, I did use a cat eye. I used the super shiny cat eye, but the colors that you see is literally coming from the jellies. These jellies are so dreamy. Now, I'll just remind you, here are the colors of the jellies that I unboxed. I love this. I am so, so happy I did it to measure, because I'm going to keep this. I'm definitely going to wear these again And yeah, I'll probably do some press-ons to match my other hand, but oh, I'm so happy. Again, I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out, and I'm so happy with how these turned out. Thank you again, Born Pretty. Absolutely loved everything. These new bottles are stunning and perfect for taking the ultimate picture, because look how big they are. Cover your palm. So yeah, guys, I will leave the link for these gels in the description box, because you are going to want these for spring, for summer. All right, guys, love you. Bye.